Loctite is not only the leader in thread locking technology, but they created it. Loctite is a staple in many workshops around the world, but they don't supply a one-size-fits-all solution, as every job is different. Over the years, they have created different thread locking formulations from low, mid and high strength applications, as well as specialty products. Why should each mechanic have Loctite thread lockers in their toolbox? Loctite thread lockers help mechanics operate more efficiently in several ways. Preventing loose fasteners, this saves mechanics time and effort, ensuring safety and reliability, reducing the likelihood of breakdowns and costly repairs. Convenience and versatility. Loctite offers various strengths for different needs, simplifying inventory and allowing mechanics to use the same products for multiple tasks.
Loctite 243 is for medium strength applications. Loctite 263 is for our high strength applications. And then we have Loctite 290, which is a medium to high strength. It's a wicking grade, so it's ideal for pre-assembled fasteners.
Perfect. So where do each one of those fit into applications for the mechanic?
So Loctite 243, it's ideal for areas where there's heavy vibration.
Yep.
This medium strength thread locker secures the bolts and nuts in critical components such as engines, gearboxes. It has very good oil tolerance as well, so it makes it suitable for slightly oily surfaces like valve covers and suspensions. Loctite 263, it's a high strength thread locker. It's suited for critical components under extreme loads and stress, often used in applications where excessive vibration, so very good for things like race engines.
Yep.
And race teams use it a lot. So. Loctite 290, that's our wicking grade thread locker. It's medium to high strength, not only the locks but it seals, and it's perfect for pre-assembled applications where your fasteners are already pre-assembled.
Now, what is the best way to apply Loctite's thread locker to components?
The first thing I always say is to make sure that the surfaces are nice and clean. Make sure it's been cleaned with a cleaner that evaporates, and also grab a rag and give it a wipe in one direction. Yep. And then you're ready to go.
Now, what is the best way to apply Loctite's thread lockers to your nuts and bolts and components?
The easiest way I like to say to people is don't over apply. We only need to apply the product where the engagement area is. So anything outside of that is wasted product. So, if the engagement area is 10 mil, we just apply the product 10 mil along.
Perfect. Now, before we finish, there's two main misconceptions that I'd love to know about the Loctite products. Firstly, it always feels like the bottle is half full. Why is that?
The bottles themselves are made from a breathable plastic, so they're half full. So it affects the curing process when there is air has been expelled. So if we fill that right up, the product would start to go very cloggy.
And I know when I've used the product before, I've slid it into a bolt hole and there's excess the next day that just hasn't cured. Does that mean that the product hasn't worked at all?
No, not. So in your engagement area, in between the male and female part, there is metal to metal contact and absence of air, and they're the two processes we need for the cure to start. Anything outside will stay cloggy because it's exposed to the atmosphere. So.
Loctite is a must-have in any automotive workshop, and picking the right Loctite product to suit the application is crucial to ensuring your customers receive only the best quality when carrying out their repairs. Make sure you search Loctite today.